Let's take the derivative of ax arcsine of x to the a, where a is a constant. We'll start by differentiating both sides with respect to x, and we can actually use product rule right off the bat because we have a function ax times another function, which is the arcsine function. So let's say d dx of ax using product rule times arcsine of x to the a plus ax times derivative of arc sine of x to the a. And we can go and compute those derivatives now. We have dy dx equals derivative of ax with respect to x is going to be equal to a times, we have the arcsine x to the a, so arcsine x to the a plus ax times the derivative of arcsine of x to the a. Well, looks like we're going to want to use chain rule there, so let's say u equals x to the a, and we can say right off the bat, because we're going to need to find du dx in a minute anyway, that du dx equals, we can use power rule because a is a constant, so we have a times x to the a minus 1. And continuing on, we'll use chain rule on arcsine of x to the a, so we have du dx times du of arcsine of u, and we'll bring back down that du dx, which we already worked out to be equal to ax times ax to the a minus 1, and then du of arcsine of u is 1 over the square root of 1 minus x squared, u squared, because we took the derivative with respect to u. Alright, and we need to unravel that u substitution we made, so we'll replace the u with an x to the a. So we have ax to the a minus 1, and times 1 is ax to the a minus 1, so we'll just put that in the numerator, over the square root of 1 minus x to the a, because u is x to the a squared, and x to the a squared is the same as x to the 2a. So we have x to the square root of 1 minus x to the 2a in the denominator. And we can start bringing some things down. This ax coefficient, don't forget this is multiplication, x times that, and this just comes straight down. These are already together. So a arc, that's not clear. Let me write a times arc sine x to the a, and plus. So there's a plus up here. So now we can make this multiplication. I'm trying to think through if there's any other steps we can take, but let's just do that first. So remember, this is dy dx. So dy dx equals, well, that's a pathetic dy dx. I'm going to make this neat because it's probably our last line. So dy dx equals a times arc sine of x to the a plus, we have a times a squared, x times x to the a minus 1 is going to be x to the a, and we're going to put that all over the square root of 1 minus x to the 2a. And it looks like we're done. So wrap this up, and there we go.